The United States has been the world's foremost master of carrier warfare since World War II. While other countries operate their own flat tops, most notably, China, who has ramped up carrier production at a breakneck pace in the last decade or so, none have matched the size and scale of the U.S. Navy. According to Mark Cainchen, a senior advisor at Cheese and the architect of the wargame simulation, U.S. flat-top vulnerabilities boil down to the fact that great powers like China and Russia have powerful weapons designed specifically for taking out aircraft carriers. If the U.S. decides it cannot risk its carriers in areas these weapons can reach, it's effectively denied the ability to enter into or operate there, a strategy known as anti-access/area denial. China has a wide array of land-based systems that pose a serious threat to surface ships operating within its littoral areas, with the threat becoming more dense as the ships get nearer, explains Bradley Martin, a senior policy researcher at the Santa Monica, California-based RAND Corporation. Air-launched anti-ship cruise missiles, such as YJ-12, have ranges of 290 and 110 nautical miles respectively, but they are launched from aircraft with significant ranges of their own. In addition, China has a large inventory of ballistic missiles, and in recent years has modified them to engage warships at sea. The DF-21 and the DF-26 missiles are launched from the Chinese mainland with ranges of approximately 930 and 1,800 nautical miles respectively, Martin says. Of course, for any of these, the firing unit must have targeting information, and denying targeting is a major way to give carrier strike groups protection. But, once targeted, carrier strike groups have a serious defense problem. The DF-21's later variants were designed for both nuclear and conventional missions. It is thought to be able to carry a high-explosive, submunition for tactical/theater level missions, or a 300 kilotons nuclear warhead for strategic strikes. The latest variant, the DF-21D, was said to be the world's first anti-ship ballistic missile, ASBM. The DF-21 has also been developed into a space warfare-capable anti-satellite weapon/anti-missile weapon carrier. Chinese sources claim the DF-26 has a range of over 5,000 kilometers, 3,100 miles, and may conduct precision nuclear or conventional strikes against ground and naval targets. It is China's first conventionally armed ballistic missile claimed to be capable of reaching Guam and the American military installations located there. This has led to the missile being referred to as the Guam Express or Guam Killer. The possibility that a DF-26 unit could have nuclear warheads makes it likely an adversary would target these missiles in a first strike.